Hi! In front of me is TCL 405, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by going into Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then tap on this little plus at the bottom left corner of your chat and tap on the photos that you wish to add. You can also select this gallery icon instead and tap on your photos over here. If you wish to click on folders, browse all of your pictures over here or click on Gallery app and tap on all of your pictures that you wish to add. As you can see, after that, all of my photos were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!